What's good, y'all? Top Flight Vending here. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're servicing a cooling deck at Ford, Hamilton, Ontario. It's a Vive machine. Let's get it. First, checking it out. See some water, some spillage. No bueno. That's no good. Keep your machines clean. Customer said he's experiencing some cooling issues. Deck's not getting cold. On the spot, take it out, get it done. Turns out cooling deck was shortened. Had to pull it, bring it back to the lab, Should be alright. She's in good hands. Take good care of her, Give y'all a quick little peek of the inside. Boom, back to the lab. Get straight to work. Show y'all a little behind the scenes. Storage life, Boom. Oops. See that? You guys didn't even see that. Too crazy. Alright, boom. Quick diagnosis, take it out. Starter relay. It wasn't firing when we wired it back up. There it is. There's a starter relay removal. Hope that helps. Right here we got the 3-in-1 starter relay. Brought it back, good to go. Give us a shout if you need service. Have a blessed day. Bye.